For this week's Wellbeing Wednesday, I want to talk about how nature can have a positive impact on your well-being. I recently read an article by therapeutic recreational specialist Erica Price. She talked specifically about the fact that being outside in nature, being whether it's the beach and the sand and the sun, being in the forest and the trees, can have a positive impact on not only improving our mood, reducing anxiety and depression, but also bolstering our immune system and even playing a role in seeing the production of anti-cancer proteins within the body. We know that there are a number of ways that nature can have a positive impact per research on our well-being. For instance, we see that it can help to lower your blood pressure. We see that individuals spending time outside, whether it's walking and looking at trees and being outside, that they actually show research that shows blood pressure lowering as well as a reduction in stress-related hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. We see from just in general impact on our mood that it can improve our mood simply by just feeling happier being outside. Anxiety, depression, anger are notably decreased after spending significant time outside in nature. Additionally, we see that it can help with improving focus. Research has looked at children as well as adults that have difficulty concentrating, controlling impulses, and seeing that spending time outside not only helps to reduce the distractions and to refocus, but actually can have significant impacts on helping to recenter and seeing reduction in symptoms that often go along with ADHD. Additionally, research shows that spending some time in nature can actually help us to heal more quickly. Research was looking at individuals with illness and post-surgery and found that spending some time in nature actually helped to, through the recovery process, reduce the amount of painkillers that individuals needed, saw a reduction in typical complications, and even saw that people were experiencing shorter stays within the hospital when they were able to spend some time in nature outside during the recovery period. And one other key feature to think about is that we also see that from an impact on our well-being, that spending time in nature can also help support graceful aging. Recent research that was done in the Journal of Aging and Health looked at adults over the age of 70 that spent time outside and in nature, had fewer sleep difficulties, complained less about aches and pains, and overall just had enjoying more improved mobility as well as overall quality of life. So if you can take that opportunity to get outside, to spend a few minutes in nature, whether it's a park, a forest, at a beach, or something else, really take that opportunity to reset and to be well. Have a great week.